Hey guys, what's going on? It's Qwebb again with another trade recap video. I wanted to kind of talk about this trade that I was able to take today and kind of talk you through the thought process, the steps I took, what I was able to kind of identify, what I needed to see to pull the trigger and execute this trade, and all that good stuff. So without further ado, we'll get right into it. I woke up, I probably got on my computer around like 8 a.m. So that would be right around here. And the first thing that I noticed was this downtrend week, right? Bearish moves in the market. I was able to identify this first resistance trend line immediately. So I get on the computer around here, right? So I'm thinking, okay, here's the trend line that I need to see the interaction of. So I'm going to wait until potentially over here, like a whole like hour and a half or so. And I was able to identify this. So I talked about the resistance trend line, this range. So we were consolidating here for like an hour and a half of just up, down, up, down, up, down. So this is called a consolidation range. And usually the way you want to play this would be a break to the top of the range for a breakout upside, or a break to the bottom for shorts to play downside. Or you can just play the range and buy the bottom of the range, sell the top of the range. So there's many ways to play this, and what I needed, the way that I trade, is I look for resistance trendline breakouts. So I actually thought this candle right here at 8:45 a.m. Let's see, 8:45. I said the interaction is coming soon. The next 5-minute candle should be an important one. And the reason why I said that is because we had 2 points of interest stacked on each other. The first point of interest is going to be the top of the range. The second point of interest is the resistance trend line. So this point right here was like a stack of resistance. If we break that, that would have been a sign of strength, momentum for upside movement. So I said this next candle should be very important here. What we got instead was a nasty rejection down. And this rejection was so strong that it just broke through the bottom of the range and then just continued down. So after seeing that rejection so far, that's fine, just be patient. So yeah, we get the rejection, and then all I do next is just continue to monitor. Don't pull the trigger, wait for the next interaction. It almost happened here, but it didn't come to the line. Just more downside. And something that I actually preach a lot, you'll see me say a lot, is patience. Let the drop happen, let the damage happen, wait for the next interaction. So with that mindset and that mentality, alarms can be your best friend. And so I just, every 5 minutes or so, I would come take a look, and I could set an alarm and just kind of drag it down, drag it, because I want to see, okay, is this candle going to be the one that interacts? Is this candle going to be the one that interacts? So I put an alarm slightly beneath the trend line, and if it goes off, then come back and take a look and see what's going on. And a good reason for this is to avoid something called chart fatigue. Chart fatigue is a common problem where you get bored, you get tired of looking at the chart, and that can cause you to just kind of force a trade just because you want to be involved, you want to be in something. So what I do instead is, like, I set alarm for the next interaction, and then I'll just do something else. I'll watch YouTube, I'll play a video game, I'll do some kind of something around the house, like errands or whatever, right? So it helps to avoid staring at the chart and forcing a trade, continuing to be patient, wait for your alarm, wait for your setup, wait for your interaction to happen, and then come back and pay attention. So yeah, alarms are set, and now we just wait. Let the drop happen, let the damage happen. Broken support, weakness, so that was downside. So I guess from here on, we'll just talk about this only. So I set my alarms, I come back and check it when the alarm goes off. Finally, what we got here, our next interaction. We got our break, candle opened above, retested that trend line to come back down. This is your entry to go long. Break, retest, continuation. And what happens next, you get in and you need to identify where's going to be your next point of interest. What's going to be the next resistance area? The first point of interest is the bottom of that previous range. That's going to potentially act as a resistance zone. So that's my first target. So retest entry, look for the first target. Up, 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 up. First target hits, we break through it, retest it, and get even more continuation up. And so target one hit, no problem, and it broke, retest, continued, and then the next target that I had, the next point of interest is VWAP. So runners, I'm down to, I hit my trim, target one trim, and then we continued pushing all the way up to target 2, VWAP. This was actually where I wanted to exit. I was able to exit most at VWAP, a little bit above too, but I was content with the trade, and I was happy with the profits and took it all and got out. It looks like it continued to run more to next level up, which is right here, but I don't care anymore. I got my piece of the pie, I'm done. And that is how I was able to score 3,700 bucks, because I have 5 accounts and they all copy traded, so it was $752 in win times 5. And that's the trade. That's the breakdown. Resistance trend line, consolidation range, interaction of trend line, break, retest, continuation up. Target 1, bottom of that same previous range. Target 2, VWAP for a full exit. That's it. So that was the trade I took today. Patience was on my side. I was really hoping that this was going to be it, but because we got the rejection, that's fine. Wait for the next interaction. Set your alarms, and then that's it. So thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Take care.